Welcome. DeepSeek R1 is an advanced open-source AI model renowned for its reasoning capabilities, particularly in complex tasks like mathematics and coding. You can harness its power to build AI agents for free. AI agents are nothing but a super smart assistant that can think, talk, and do tasks for you automatically. E.g., AI customer support, AI personal assistant, AI content creator. Following are the basic steps to build AI agents using DeepSeek R1. Install Ollama. Ollama is a tool that simplifies running large language models locally. Download and install Ollama from the official website too. Download DeepSeek R1. Open your terminal and run Arduino Ollama run DeepSeek R1. This command will download and set up the DeepSeek R1 model on your machine. 3. Run DeepSeek R1 in the background. To keep the model running and accessible, start the Ollama server. Nginx Ollama serve. This will make DeepSeek R1 available for integration with other applications via an API. 4. Integrate with BotPress. BotPress is a powerful platform for building AI agents. Within BotPress Studio, integrate DeepSeek R1 to enhance your AI agent's reasoning capabilities. 5. Create AI agents. Define the tasks and workflows your AI agent will handle. Utilize DeepSeek R1's advanced reasoning to manage complex interactions and provide accurate responses. By following these steps, you can build sophisticated AI agents leveraging DeepSeek R1's capabilities without incurring any costs. If you find this helpful, follow for more and share it with your friends and family.